an hour, please.
Guys, we are at the Ron Fellows Performance Driving Academy. This is the anti-lock brake exercise. What are we doing here? Well, every car has anti-lock brakes, but nobody is taught how to use them, what they do, yada yada. So, here we are, going about 40 miles an hour, hitting a wet spot, slamming on the brakes, and still trying to control the car. Okay, so what happens if somebody jumps out in front of your car, or another car swerves into your lane? Do you overcorrect? It's a little wet out. Anti-lock brakes, you hit the brakes as hard as you can, stab them to the floor, you'll hear a chatter, click, click, click. That's when your anti-lock brakes are engaged. When that happens, you can use just a very little bit of steering input to still steer your car. So that's what we're doing here. We're being told to get up to a certain speed,
Travis, come on down.
then slam on the brakes, and put your car into whatever lane the instructor points the cone at. All right, so here we go.
All right, Mitch, come on down. 3545.
That was funny, Mitch revving their engine on the C8 Corvette. Let's talk about Mitch real quick. The guy didn't even own a Corvette. How'd he wind up there was his father-in-law bought two, a Z06 and a C8. So his father-in-law was at the Z06 class and Mitch was in the C8 class. So here's a guy who doesn't even own a Corvette and was the fastest guy in the class. Good times.
Go to clear on out. A little aggressive on the steering, still kept it pretty smooth though. Well done.
Alright, so just bear with us while we wait my turn. I get another go at it here.
3545. Alright, Lance, same thing. A little aggressive on the steering. I know this exercise can get pretty antsy, but keeping a calm state of mind and being gentle. It's okay to be
so notice the instructor said you're getting a little aggressive with your steering. And what he's referring to is you really barely have to give any input. When that anti-lock brake kicks in, if you overcorrect the wheel, you're going to spin out and lose control. The whole point of this is that you can control your car with almost your pinky. Like, I mean, that's literally, I'm holding the steering wheel with like my forefinger and my thumb here. I'm not gripping the wheel.